Today I am going to explain how to check security headers integrated on web-based application, either yes or no. As we know, HTTP security headers are a very important part for any web-based application to protect web-based application against cyber attack, hacker attack, virus attack, any type of vulnerability attack, and any type of other attack for the web-based applications. If header securities are properly integrated in your website, nobody can easily hack your web-based application and harm your web-based applications. So here I have integrated one tool like a site2info.com slash sitesecurity.php. That is a free of cost tool that provide the free of cost checking for any of the website for the header security, or you can say security headers. Let's start. I am putting the first website TPS yes amazon.com, first website I am putting, and checking either web address security has been integrated or not. Let's start. I'm going to click go button, and within seconds it's providing the results like that. See, we can say X content type option security headers integrated properly, access protection security headers integrated properly, X frame option security headers integrated properly, XU compatible security headers integrated properly, stick transport security headers integrated properly. And apart from this, you can say there's another things also: content length, web server, content type format, X content type options, and move permanently also has been integrated properly. So this is the most secure website of the world because all security headers are integrated properly. You can see. Same way, I am going to put another website inside input box like cloudflare.com. Cloudflare.com. Going to click on the go button. So once I click on the go button, it's provide the result like X content type options, access protection option, X frame options, X debug options, and X stick transfer security option has been properly integrated in terms of security address for the Cloudflare website. Apart from this, more permanently redirection web server also displaying X content format also displaying. So this is also most powerful and secure website in terms of security headers because all security headers are integrated properly and working fine. Same way, I am going to put another website avg.com. avg.com. See, within seconds provides the results like that. X type options security headers integrated properly, access protection security headers integrated properly, Xprime option security headers properly integrated, state transport security headers integrated properly. Same way, like a web server integrated properly, content length integrated properly, mode permanently 301 integrated properly. So you can say all security headers for the AVG website has been integrated properly. This is also most powerful secure website of the world. So in this way, this is a free tool. You can check any of the tools for security headers check and provide the result as compared to other header security tool that's available in the market, very fast and secure. It's one of the also advantage of this tool is provides very accurate and quick results within seconds. So due to you can check multiple website also, and also if these all security headers integrated properly, nobody can hack your website properly. Nobody can hack website anyway. So friends, hope this video is very useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Very soon we'll become for the next video. Thank you very much.